This is LODARK new launched 9-inch Android car stereo. The package is very sturdy that can avoid damage during delivery. Let's open the box. There are the user manual, the microphone, a pack of relevant cables, and the product. Let's take a look at the product. This one adopts QLED screen and 2.5D technology. There are multiple interfaces on the back, including USB, HDMI, AV input and output, etc., which is very convenient for expansion. Now, let's look at the cables. This one is the power cord. And this is the RCA cables. Next one is camera input. And this one is the 4G antenna. Then, this is the GPS antenna. This is the 6-pin interface USB data cable, support wired CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is the 4-pin interface USB data cable, also support wired CarPlay and Android Auto. The last one is the microphone. Now, let's look at how to install these cables.